We don't want you to fear holiday food. That's not healthy, in fact. And we don't want you to feel shame because you know what is the good news? Your body was designed to recover after eating excessively or drinking a lot of alcohol. It's not what you ate once that's sabotaging your holiday health goals. It's how you recover.
Are you worried that you're going to be the girl who steps on the scale in the morning and then you're like, oh my gosh, how did I gain 10 pounds in one day? You don't have to be that girl.
Does anyone gain 10 pounds in a day?
Yeah, there are people who eat that much. Yeah, binge eating disorder is a real thing, Mom.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
I'm aware that binge eating disorder is a real thing. I've suffered with that for many years of my life.
Like there's extreme levels. Like there were days where I would gain like 10 pounds the next day.
That sounds like a major gut dysbiosis issue where like you're retaining a ton of water. That seems outrageous. Listen, if you're gaining weight that fast, it sounds like a medical emergency to me. Today's the day after Thanksgiving, and I have to say, I feel great. I don't feel inflamed. I don't feel hungover. I feel great.
In fact, I feel sore from our 6-mile hike yesterday. That's what I feel.
I mean, here's the thing, like we're committed. And you know what? Why we're committed is not because we feel so great.
What she means to say is it's not because we're so great or we're so amazing or we're better than you guys. That's not the truth at all. The truth is we have standards for our health.
No, but that implies that somebody else doesn't have standards for their life or their health.
And they don't, or else they would.
Nobody wants to be fat, sick, and tired. Nobody.
People who choose to be fat, sick, and tired are choosing to be fat, sick, and tired. Stop being such a nice coach.
I'm not a nice
Off camera,
coach.
she's not this nice, I promise you.
I'm not trying to be nice. I'm trying to be really clear about something. And so I feel like we need to like scrap everything we've said up until this point and get back on topic because everybody worries about gaining weight during the holiday season because historically you see the facts and figures, everybody puts on 10 pounds. That's just the deal. You don't do it in one day and you don't do it overnight. That's just not normal. But your body is designed to recover, and that is the good news. So I really want to talk to you in this video about how to help your body recover. Now, people wonder why we don't drink alcohol. They think we're a little bit weird, actually, and they kind of make fun of us. And it's less for you, Penelope, because you're not 21 yet, but I have to say that for me, people really don't feel comfortable around me because I don't drink alcohol.
That's happened to me on my young life. People drink alcohol when they're not 21, and they look at me like I'm crazy. And every time I go to Europe and I don't drink, they're like, what's wrong with you?
I know. And the reason why I don't drink is because I feel really wrecked. It's like I lose an entire half day the next day. I just can't handle it. We have some girls in our group who ate things yesterday that they don't usually eat and they're feeling wrecked. And I'm not saying you should hypersensitize yourself like maybe we are, or maybe we even have an allergy to alcohol. That's not what I'm suggesting. What I'm saying is that when you have one high sugar day, that it takes your body 72 hours to clean it up. The good news is that your body does clean it up, but not if you keep overloading it. And that is the reason why people put on weight over the holiday season because they have too many high sugar days. What is a high sugar day? Well, let's spell it out for you. That's orange juice in the morning. Could also be a lot of honey in your lemon water. It could also be oatmeal. Oatmeal is a high sugar breakfast. As much as we think it's a low blood sugar or fat burning breakfast, it is not a weight loss food for me. Another thing that you could have for breakfast, like any kind of pumpkin muffin or a pumpkin latte at Starbucks. Those things are surprisingly high in sugar and fat. And those aspartame pumps, dangerous. I'm just going to tell you. We think you should make your own coffee at home. That's delicious and nutritious. You can make high protein muffins at home. You can, but your pastries, your croissants, your donuts, your muffins, even if they're healthy, are going to be a high sugar food. If they've got flour and sugar in them, they're a high sugar food. I don't care if it's honey and I don't care if it's coconut sugar. It's still a high sugar food or agave syrup. And then for lunch, you might have like a salad with beets and candied pecans with a balsamic vinaigrette. Lots of sugar in that. Now, you can rearrange that so it's not high sugar. Even those Brussels sprouts you get at the restaurant, thinking you're making a healthy decision, are usually deep fried and coated in sugar.
So, how do you do that? You can make all of those things at home, guys, without sugar and flour. We teach you guys to do that every day in our program, in our Substack. Like, we're committed to making food delicious again. That makes you lose weight and not spike your blood sugar.
That is true. And when you have these high blood sugar days, your gut microbiome is altered for 72 hours. That's 3 days. So you're paying for 3 days for that one high sugar day. Is it worth it? I would say no. And I think that's what I want to share with you today is that I don't drink alcohol because it's not worth it to me. I don't want to suffer and lose a half day. And I don't want you to suffer from your high sugar day for 3 full days. It changes your gut bacteria. It drives your cravings. You're not broken. But when you do have a high sugar day, you're feeding those gut bacteria that are driving cravings, inflammation, weight gain, unstable blood sugar, right? You see how this is like a vicious cycle that you can end by just doing what you know to do. And listen, it's hard to live out there in the real world. Everything's got flour and sugar in it. I know, but we want to empower you. So that's why we created our Substack. Definitely head on over there. There's some free content. There's some paid content. It's only $8 a month. So, I mean, come on. It's even better than a cookbook. It's constantly growing and living. And one thing that we love to do is also walk after meals and hydrate in the morning. So let's say you have a rough day. You had that, maybe today is that day that you had the high sugar day. Tomorrow morning, drink lots of water. We find the mornings to be the best time to hydrate. We drink a few liters of water, just shy of a gallon.
Before you have your coffee, drink a bottle of water or 2 bottles of water. It will make a huge difference.
It's better if you sip on it instead of just gulping it down all at once, but I can only recommend it. I feel so much better when I do that. The good news is your body is designed to recover. And even though we've been vilified for it, your body is also designed to heal itself. It's well-known fact that we've known for thousands of years. It's not a drug that's going to save you. It's not a doctor that's going to save you, or a neighbor or a sister or a husband or whatever. So we've got you. And you might want to get off sugar this holiday season. We have a free holiday gift for you, a 7-day sugar detox. It's an email sequence with some recipes and some hacks and some swaps. So definitely click the link in the description below if you want to get on that.
If you would like to support our channel and support our work, subscribe to our Substack or donate to our company down below. We are helping women every day lose weight naturally with no loose skin, and we love helping women, but we need your guys' support. So any of your support is truly loved and appreciated. Don't forget to comment something you learned in this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with someone you love that might really benefit from this video. We'll see you all the time.